So, very good morning. Today we will see how to construct a basic inverter circuit using CMOS transistor. You can see here these two are identical diagrams to explain the CMOS NOT gate working when input is 0 and when input is 1. And this is PMOS transistor, this is NMOS transistor. So for simplicity, the switching action of PMOS transistor is when Vin is 0, it will be on. When Vin is 5 volts, it will be off, because this is your source and this is your gate. This will be VGS for the PMOS transistor and this is VGS for the NMOS transistor. So when Vin is 0, your VGS becomes minus 5 volts. When Vin is 5 volts, VGS becomes 0 volts. As a result, when Vin is 0, your PMOS transistor will be on, and Vn equals 5 volts, PMOS transistor will be off. In case of NMOS transistor, when Vn is 0, VGS will be 0 volts only, then it will be off condition. And Vn is 5 volts and VGS become 5 volts, it will be on condition. So based on this on off condition, we are going to explain the CMOS inverter gate here. So when A is 0, we are going to apply 0 here. This is a PMOS transistor. The same 0 will be applied here. When 0 is applied here, this will be on. As you can see, when Vin is 0, VGS will be minus 5 volts. That means PMOS transistor will be on and this will be off. When this is on, you have a conduction path towards the output side. As a result, you are going to get output as 1, or indirectly you can say logic 1. Whereas in case of when A equals to 1, that means 5 volts you applied. 0 means 0 volts here. When you apply 5 volts, this becomes VGS becomes 0 volts, because 5 minus 5 will be 0. So that means this will be off, and this becomes VGS becomes 5 volts. That means this will be on. Okay, when this is on and when P is off, this will be like open circuit. Okay, that means your power supply is not connected to output anymore. When NMOS transistor on, you have a conduction path towards the ground side. As a result, you are going to get V out as 0 volts or logic 0. So this is how we can explain the CMOS NOT gate working using PMOS and NMOS transistors. Now we'll see the simulation, how we are going to execute the same simulation using the multi-sim software. So this is the same circuit which we constructed using a multi-sim software. As you can see, this is a PMOS transistor and this is NMOS transistor, and this is my input A. And if I connect it to 0, let's run the simulation. When I connect it to 1, it is showing 0 volts output. When I connect it to 0, it's going to show the 1 output, which is reflecting the NOT gate behavior. So this is how we can construct using two CMOS transistor for the NOT gate operation. So thank you all.